The pile of Honda Shadow 750 is back together, sort of. I'm not going to put the seat on until I know it actually runs. Carburetor is on. I don't have the idle adjusted and I haven't fired it up yet, so, well, we're all going to do it together. Let's get this fuel pump running. Fill the float bowls. I knew it wasn't going to be that easy. All right, I cheated. I had to go and fire it up because it was taking too long. Oh boy! It's idling on 2 cylinders! That is so sick! It runs so much better. I haven't even touched the idle. I might not actually turn it down at all. Dude, it actually runs on 2